Talking about eating.
What did you have for breakfast?
I had a coffee, toast, and eggs.
How did you have your eggs?
Soft-boiled, as usual.
How about a cup of coffee?
That sounds good.
I always enjoy coffee after work.
I like it best in the morning.
Would you like to have an orange?
Thanks, but I don't think so.
Oranges are good for you.
I know, but I had one about an hour ago.
Where did you have lunch today?
I ate at the cafeteria with John.
Did you have a good lunch?
Yes. I had a hot roast beef sandwich.
There's a cafeteria over there.
Didn't you eat before we left?
Yes, but I'm hungry again.
Well, I'm still digesting my lunch.
Breakfast and lunch at a restaurant.
I'd like to order breakfast.
What can I bring you?
I'd like coffee, scrambled eggs, and bacon.
I'll bring the coffee first.
Please give me a ham sandwich.
Would you like it on rye bread or white?
Rye bread, please, with mustard.
Here it is.
I'd like a piece of pie now and coffee later, please.
Do you want cream for your coffee?
Yes. Cream but no sugar.
I'll bring the pie right away.
A hamburger and a cup of coffee, please.
Here you are.
Do you want sugar for your coffee?
Yes, please.
Everything was delicious.
Yes, and the service have been really good too.
How much do I owe you?
62 cents.
Ordering food.
Could we have a table for 4?
There's a nice table right there by the window.
May we also have the menu right away?
I'll get the menu immediately.
Would you care for some roast beef?
No, I'll have sirloin steak.
How do you like your steak?
I'd prefer it medium rare.
Would you like to have soup?
Yes. Creamed onion, please.
Mashed, boiled, or French fried potatoes?
I'll have the French fried.
What vegetables would you like with your dinner?
Carrots, please, and corn with cream sauce.
What kind of dressing do you want on your salad French?
I believe I'll take Russian dressing tonight.
Would you like to order a dessert?
What kinds of pie do you have?
Peach, lemon cream, and apple.
I'd like lemon cream, please.
Having dinner at a restaurant.
What'll you have, miss?
May I have a menu, please?
A menu? Here you are, miss.
Now, I'll need a few minutes to look it over. I'll have the sirloin steak listed here.
How do you like your steak well done?
No, I'd prefer it medium rare.
I'm sure you'll enjoy our steak. Would you care for soup?
Yes, I would. Vegetable soup, please.
What would you like for your main course?
I'm going to have beef stew for my main course.
Would you care for dessert after your main course?
Possibly. What kind of pie do you have?
Peach, banana cream, and blueberry chiffon.
I think I'd like to try the banana cream.
Coffee, tea or milk?
Coffee with the meal, please.
Do you want cream and sugar?
No, I'll take my coffee black.
Dinner conversations.
I hope you're hungry tonight.
I'm sure I'll have a good appetite.
There's a menu right beside you.
Thanks. I see it.
What do you usually have for dinner?
Potatoes and some kind of meat.
Do you Eve have anything else?
Oh, have other things, for example, fish, rice, and vegetables.
The fish is delicious in this restaurant, I hear.
It's a popular dish in this country.
But I always choose steak if possible.
Well, I'm going to have fish.
Do you like vegetables?
I like some but not all.
What kind do you like?
I like lettuce and radishes and a few others.
Do you always drink tea with your meals?
Not always, but usually.
How do you like your tea?
With sugar and lemon.
Please like and subscribe.